Teaching is the noblest of all professions because it is the only profession that creates all the other professions. It leads a person from darkness to light as well as from ignorance to knowledge. A warm good evening to one and all. Today we all have watched an inspiring video about the biography of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan's childhood was full of hardships as he came from humble beginnings. He completed his education through scholarship as a bright student. Although he served a term as the President of India from 1962, his legacy is greater as an inspiring teacher. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a firm believer in the power of education for social reform. He knew only education could eradicate social evils and help every individual make informed decisions. In 1918, he became a professor at the University of Mysore, and soon after that, Kolkata University nominated him for the professor of philosophy. Later on in his life, he was called from Oxford University to deliver lectures on Hindu philosophy. Furthermore, after many of his hard efforts, he was able to put Indian philosophy on the world map. It is because of his attempts that the Indian philosophy is able to put a mark on the world and became very renowned. In a career spanning decades, Dr. Radhakrishnan went from being the Vice Chancellor of many universities to the Ambassador of UNESCO. In 1952, he became the Vice President of India, and in 1954, he was awarded the prestigious Bharat Ratna for his contributions. He became the President of the country in 1962 and ruled in 1975. He became the President of the country in 1962 and retired in 1975. His birthday on 5th September is celebrated every year as the Teachers' Day, where students honor their teachers and express their sincere gratitude. Teachers' Day is a widely regarded event across India. When Dr. Radhakrishnan became the president of the country, some of his students requested a birthday celebration. He instead asked them to hold his birthday as a celebration of Teachers' Day. Thus, 5th September every year is considered the Teachers' Day as a tribute to all the educators across the country. When we think we know everything, we cease to learn. These words motivate us to seek higher learning in each phase of the life, since learning is a lifelong process. The student in us would never fail if we have a teacher par excellence like Dr. Radhakrishnan. He is undoubtedly one of the most recognized and influential Indian thinkers in academic circles of the 20th century. He was a perfect role model and a great source of inspiration and a popular statesman for all the teachers and students of the country. So, it is undoubtedly expressed that he is such a prodigy. And in conclusion, I would like to add, it is our great privilege to have such a great philosopher, a great educationist, and a great humanist in our country. He will always remain in our hearts and minds because of his unimaginable participation in the field of education. Thank you very much.